Let me ask you something. Has your credit score gone up recently, but approvals still haven't followed? If that's happened to you, you're not imagining things, and you're definitely not alone. Here's the part nobody really explains. You can improve your score, pay things down, and do everything people say you should do, and still look risky to a lender. Not because your score is bad, but because the pattern behind it hasn't changed. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact signals lenders react to after they see your score. The things that quietly determine whether you get approved or denied. And chances are, at least one of them is showing up on your profile right now. Most people think credit decisions come down to points. They don't. They come down to predictability. Lenders aren't asking whether you tried hard or followed advice. What they really want to know is whether your recent behavior looks stable. Once you understand that, a lot of past denials start to make sense. But before we get there, we need to talk about the mistake almost everyone makes right after getting denied. Here's how it usually goes. You apply for something, and the answer comes back as a denial. That sinking feeling hits, and you immediately want to fix it. So you open your credit app, you check your score again, you refresh it, like it might suddenly change its mind. Then the late night Googling starts. You pay something down, you move a balance, you close one account and open another. And sometimes you apply again way too quickly. All of that feels responsible. It feels proactive. But from a lender's point of view, that sudden activity doesn't look calm. It looks reactive. And when a profile starts changing quickly, lenders don't see progress. They see uncertainty. What surprises most people is that the very things you do to fix your credit can actually be the signals lenders flag first. To understand why, you have to look at how lenders read behavior. There are a few behaviors lenders react to almost immediately. Some of them are obvious, and one of them catches people completely off guard. One is sudden balance changes. Paying off debt is good, but when balances swing sharply from month to month, it creates questions. Lenders prefer steady movement over dramatic shifts. Another signal is clustered credit checks. One inquiry doesn't mean much, but several close together can make it look like you're urgently seeking credit, even if that wasn't your intention. The third signal is rapid account changes. Opening, closing, or restructuring accounts quickly can make your profile feel unstable, even when your score improves. And this is where people get confused. You see the score rising, but lenders see activity accelerating. Same data, very different interpretation. And that gap is where denials usually happen. When you've tried fixing your credit in the past, did you make changes quickly, or did you space them out over time? A credit score shows the result of your behavior at a moment in time, but it doesn't show how you've been moving, and lenders care about that movement. If you boost your score quickly and apply right away, you might be applying at the exact moment your profile looks the least stable. That timing alone can trigger a denial. If you want approvals, the goal isn't perfection. It's consistency. Lenders trust profiles that look boring in the best way possible. Balances that don't swing wildly. Activity that unfolds gradually. Patterns that feel predictable. You might have good reasons for every move you made, but lenders don't see the reasons. They see the results. Here's a simple way to think about it. If someone reviewed your last 6 months of activity, would it look calm and controlled, or rushed and reactive? If your recent activity looks rushed, the fix usually isn't making more changes. It's slowing things down, spacing moves out, and letting stability show up over time. If you want to monitor this properly, you need more than just a score. You need to see how balances move over time, when inquiries hit, how long accounts have been open, and whether your usage stays consistent. I linked a tool below that shows those patterns clearly. If this helped you understand why raising your score didn't automatically lead to approvals, there's more coming. Because once you understand how lenders evaluate behavior, credit decisions start making a lot more sense.